Today I'm going to show you how to create an account on Fiverr. On the right top you find the button join, you click on it and you come into this screen. You enter your email. I'm just using a fake email for now just to show you how it works. So you enter your email here and you click on continue. Then you choose a username. It's like YouTube test 123 test, something like this, just to show you, and choose a password like something and on. Okay, then you click on join. Then you come into the Fiverr screen, into the home screen, and you got your account. The only thing you have to do left is to activate your account. So you go to your email, and I see it here. And here it is. You will find this email in your mailbox, and here you go. You activate your account, and here you see your account is successfully activated. So you can edit your profile now, sell and buy on Fiverr.